This video is to go through how to make a section drawing in Fusion 360. And full disclosure, my charger that I use at my house is short-circuiting and my computer is in power saver mode. So it's going to die and I won't have any way of stopping it from dying. So hopefully I can get this done and I can get this recorded and at least processed in a PowerPoint before my computer dies. So to do this, we need to create some kind of sketch. And just as I'm doing this, I'm setting up the XY plane here. And we want to be really clear that this is considered a sketch. This is considered the sketch environment. Notice it says finish the sketch. So a sketch can be 3D. We don't usually think of a sketch as being 3D, but we want to really differentiate in Fusion whether we are dealing with a sketch or a drawing. And those vocabulary words mean different things. So I am going to wing this a little bit, I guess. I'm going to do a center rectangle and I don't know, let's dimension this at, that looks like it's 7. We'll do 7 by 3. There we go. 7 by 3. And I am going to draw another rectangle right here, and I am going to dimension that to be, we'll do 1/2 inch from the left side, and we'll say 1/2 inch from the top side, and we want this to be 1.5 inches by, I don't know, what does that look like? That looks like we'll make it 2. Okay, now it looks fairly symmetrical there. I wasn't really paying a whole lot of attention to it, but I guess it is. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror, I need to do a construction line, so I'm going to do line, come over here to construction, and I'm going to hover that right at the origin, and we just need to get that line on there. And then don't forget when you're doing a construction line to turn it off. And I'm going to mirror this, and I need to click all 4 sides. And then I'm going to mirror it over that center line and click OK. All right, now let's do an extrude. Oh, nope, don't want to do that. Finish the sketch. And then I'm going to do an extrusion of everything but my little cutouts, and we'll extrude it to 1.5 inches. And then let's do a new sketch on the top. Make sure that you are highlighting the correct plane here. So we're going to do the top, and let's do a circle centered at the origin and finish that sketch, and then let's extrude that down 1/2 inch. Okay, so I have something that looks like this, and I want you to generate that. So go back and review the dimensions and stuff as needed. Again, I am doing this really fast because my computer is going to die. So in order to do a drawing, we do need to save it. I'm going to come over here to new drawing, and it will prompt me to save it. And I'm going to do section drawing example. Okay, so this is what we're going to save it as. And let's do ASME. Let's put it on size A. That looks good. And let's see what we've got. All right, that is not the view that we want as our front though. So I'm going to go change it. Let's take a look at the top. There we go. So we want the front view, the view that's in that lower left corner, to be the view that has the most distinction. And I'm going to change that not to that. Let's do 1 to 3. Let's do 1 to 2. No, I'm going to do 1 to 2.5. There we go. I like that. Click OK, and then we're going to do projected view, select the parent view, and we should get the top the isometric and the right hand side, and then we'll click the green check mark. And then I do want my isometric to be solid, so I will left click to select it and then right click to edit the view, and we'll choose the solid view there. So what we're going to do in this drawing, instead of, my battery is running low, you might want to plug it in. I know, I like tried that and my cord started sparking, so but we are going to do a section drawing, so our section view. So we've done base and projected. Now we're going to do a section view, and a section view actually slices into the object to be able to see it. So I'm going to select my parent view here, and then I'm going to choose to slice it right down the middle. So notice that I'm hovering over that midline. Fusion is super helpful, and we're going to drag it out that way. And there we go. Okay, so we should have it right there. And I'm going to place my section view there, and we should be good. Now, oh crud, I don't want that writing. Can I move that writing? There we go. We're going to move that writing. Okay, now what that does is it shows us what it looks like if you were to slice into the object from that direction. And so if you were to slice down into it and look at it, you would see that this goes all the way through. And you would see that that circle, which of course from this view looks like a square because you can't tell what the shape is, that does not go all the way through because the dashed lines give you that solid material. Now, in order to submit this, okay, I need to see the section view, and then you're going to need to confirm to me that you actually have done this with the right dimensions. So we're going to put these 7. Let's do the 3. We can't really dimension anything over there. We need the radius. Oh, I didn't even like do the radius. Okay, your radius can be different. You know what? Let's not do the radius because I didn't dimension the radius. I just threw a circle on there. I'm not going to hold you responsible for that. Let's do this and this. I don't like where it's putting it. It's putting the measurement off to the side there, which I don't like. Grumble, grumble. And then we'll do, that is the 2. That looks like that. So you can pause the video here. Just make sure that you have those dimensions on there. And then for fun, you know what? Let's do another section view. So let's select this and we'll do the midpoint and we'll drag that out. Well, that is not what I wanted to do. Crud. You know what? Because I don't have time to fix it because my computer is going to die, just do this. This will be enough to demonstrate that you have successfully done a section view. And if you would like to add another section view, I'll throw in a bonus point for you for like just another section view on that. But in the interest of trying to process this video before my computer completely dies, I'm going to cut off the video here, and that would be the assignment for the section view lesson.